I want to show you guys one mobility thing. What I'm going to show you, it's totally Canadian. Canoe stretch, just like the photo above, guys. These guys get full stretch all through their quads, their hip flexor, their abdominals, their serratus, their lats, their chest. It is a fantastic stretch for the front of the body from sitting all day. Something super similar is the ATG split squat position in the bottom. You're stretching the same front muscles. Again, battling sitting. If we can start strengthening these and getting them strong through their range of motion, back pain minimizes, better sleep, better overall function when you're training. Check this stretch out, have a try. You can use a dowel or get Canadian, use a hockey stick.